Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my another video. I hope that you all are very well. So today I will talk about two offer. So number one, this is RBTC startup mining. Then second, RBTC trading league. I will provide these two offer link in my description box. So first come and keep your eyes in the description box and join my TG channel and also join the offer. So at first, let's go for our first offer or first event. For joining here, you can simply click on this link. You can see that this is the total reward pool, then this is the API. So okay, now I will come in this event. So this is the process for joining startup mining. For joining startup mining, you need to click on this button. Then there are startup. Simply click on startup token launch and the other platform. Then after clicking on it, you will come in here. Then there are startup mining. You can see that this is our startup mining. Simply click on startup mining. Then after clicking on it, you will come in here. Then normally scroll down. You can see that this is RBTC and 6 days 6 hours left to end it. So for joining this startup mining, simply click on it. Then you can see that you can stake RBTC token and you will get every hour, you will get reward in every hour. From reward history, you can also see the history. And this is our mining. That's mean startup mining. So first join it, and for stake RBTC, simply click stake. Then you need minimum 10,000 RBTC token to stake it. And then after select the amount, simply click confirm, then enter your fund password and it will done. Then in every single hour you will get rewards from here. You can see that there are 829 participants and this is the total price pool per hour. That's really good. And this is the total staking rewards, and total staked, the amount is also very high. So this is our first event and first offer. You can tell anything, so first join it. I will provide the link in my description box. So let's go for our next event. So our next event is it. Okay, so our next event is RBTC trading league. Form a team and trade to split 15,000 USD in reward pool. So simply click on it, then you will come in this page. This is our second offer, and after clicking on it, you will come in here. Okay, it take a small load. Okay, so you can see the trading league battle is on. Come to create or join a team, invite alias and trade to split mega rewards. So now I will create a team. So my team name is okay. So now I will create a team. So my team name is crypto talk and set automated. Okay, I will set it automated membership. Then I will make confirm. So my team has been created, successfully done. This is invite alias. I will provide the link in my description box. I will also provide the link in my Telegram channel or Telegram post. You can join my team by clicking on it. Now I just made a team. Guys, you can join my team. Like you can see that there are many other stream is still ongoing. 3000 USD participation reward, 2000 USD new user exclusive. Okay, the notes you can read it from here. So guys, at first I talk about startup mining, and second I talk about it. So you can see that the teams will be ranked by team members, total spot trading volume of the specific tokens, no limit to the number of team members. Then this is participation reward and new user exclusive rewards. If you are a new user, then you will get too much benefit from Gateway Exchanger now. because of in ongoing time there have many events. So if you want to know about this event, write a comment, and if I got too much comment about it, then I will make a video. So thank you so much guys for watching my video, and I hope that you all are understand A to Z. So if you have any type of questions, you can share your question in my comment box.